Hey guys, welcome back. This is the second time I record this video. Once again, when I have my phone straight down, it records like this way, which is weird. I have to have my phone tilted like this so that when it records, you guys can see it straight. I don't edit my video, so I don't have to like flip it. But anyway, that's my little thing with this phone thing. But now that it's there, now I can move it. Okay, so anyway, so this video is a little project share using KSCRAFTs die, and it's this open book die. Look how pretty. I did not use it as an open book. I did it mostly as like a frame, just because this frame alone is gorgeous. But these are the pages. So if you make this a few times and add it, you see how it looks like a book. So you get that. You get the little smaller version. You also get this little bow, which is super cute. So this is the card that I made, and I just used it as a flat frame. I didn't use it like the book. And you see, it cuts beautiful. Like, I love this one. And of course I used the frankgarcia Do-It collection. And then in the inside, you see, if you cut this one a few times, you could turn it into a book, but I didn't do that. And that's it. And then I also used this die right here, which says eye candy, which I thought was perfect for this collection, which is this one right here. Oops, right here. You see? Eye candy with the little heart. I got a little helper here. So cute. Then I used this flower, which is so cute. And I just been, I've been doing flowers now lately. And this one I didn't glitter them down. This one I just did it just like that. And again, you don't have to use the foam flower in the middle. I just like the way it looks. But look at the detail on that die. Isn't it cute? I love this one. But yeah, this is just a super quick video. Hopefully this one loads correctly. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.